Hello friends, wood is an amazing building material, but at the same time there are a couple of drawbacks associated with it. Wood rots, gets eaten by termites and even blocks light. Hence, scientists have figured out the way to make the wood that is clear, more durable and even stronger, and it is called as transparent wood. To understand transparent wood, let us understand the basics of wood first. Wood is made up of fibers that are oriented in the direction of growth of tree. These fibers are made of three main components, namely cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. Cellulose is responsible for strength, whereas hemicellulose acts as a matrix for the cellulose and increases the packing density of the cell wall. And lignin is mostly responsible for the wood's distinctive color. Without lignin, the wood will turn white. So to make a wood transparent, we have to remove all the lignin from the wood. This process is called as delignification process. In this process, wood sample is immersed in a solution containing sodium chloride and sodium hypochlorite and heated up to 100 degrees Celsius temperature for 12 hours. At place of sodium chloride and sodium hypochlorite, we can use the combination of sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfite also. After this, the wood sample shall be immersed in a boiling hydrogen peroxide. Both these steps are the standard methods used to manufacture paper. In this process, the lignin gets separated from cellulose and hemicellulose, and color of the wood becomes white. But still, it is not transparent. To increase transparency, the wood sample shall be immersed in a matching resin, usually polymethyl methacrylate, under a temperature of 85 degrees Celsius and a vacuum for 12 hours. This process fills the space previously occupied by lignin, resulting in the final transparent wood composite. So this is the process of manufacturing of transparent wood. Now let us understand properties and advantages of transparent wood. Transparent wood can withstand stress 10 times more and strain 4 times more in comparison to the normal conventional wood. It transmits 85% light. It means it is not crystal clear, but it is hazy. Haziness means the material traps some light, so we can use it inside the buildings where privacy is required. Transparent wood can effectively absorb heat, store it and release it whenever needed. The wood generally absorbs heat when the temperature is more than 30 degrees Celsius and will release the heat once it starts cooling down. Transparent wood has lower thermal conductivity, better impact strength and lower density as compared to glass. It helps to keep a building at more consistent temperature and make it easier to reach higher energy efficiency. It is shatterproof and it has outstanding toughness. It is biodegradable, environment friendly, and also it is a great alternative to plastic and glass. Transparent wood is almost transparent as glass, but it has a much higher strength than any glass and plastic. Transparent wood is energy efficient. Transparent wood is weatherproof and fire resistant. One of the major advantages of transparent wood over the typical glass in terms of its structural applications is its ductility and resistance to fracture, which is higher as compared to glass. Unlike a point source light, the transparent wood's light is diffuse, making it more natural and easy on the eye. The intensity of its transparency changes a bit with the change in the temperature. This generally happens when phase changing occurs. For instance, if it is hot outside, the material will absorb the heat and become transparent. And once the night sets, the temperature decreases, it starts releasing the heat and turns opaque. Transparent wood is economical and suitable for mass production in the future. It can also reduce buildings' net energy consumption. Disadvantages: the epoxy used in the manufacturing process of transparent wood is not environment friendly. Currently, it is only possible to make transparent wood in labs. Now let us understand applications of transparent wood. Roofs made up of transparent wood can be designed to certain buildings for providing uniform and comfortable illumination as compared to conventional glass. Car windscreens. Since the durability of this material is better than glass and also it is shatterproof, so transparent wood can replace glass windscreens in cars. Load-bearing windows. Since transparent wood is tougher and stronger than glass and it can sustain more load as compared to glass, hence it would be a better material to create super strong and energy efficient windows. Smartphone screens. Being shatterproof, transparent wood can be a suitable replacement to the present type of glass used in smartphones and other electronics with a screen. Solar cell windows. It can create highly efficient solar cell windows that generate electricity while letting sunlight pass through. Transparent wood is a good material for solar cells since it is low cost, readily available and renewable resource. Solar panel. According to a study detailing the research, the construction sector accounts for around 30 to 40% of total energy consumption. In order to provide electromagnetic interference shielding to the transparent wood, magnetic nanoparticles have been incorporated into it. Transparent wood laser. Entirely organic lasers could be created by embedding an organic dye into transparent wood. Their newly developed wood dye material has optical properties which can be even implemented further to enhance biophysics or sustainable illumination. Elevators. The durability and strength of transparent wood is better than glass and steel that prevents it from shattering on impact. The speed of elevator will also increase due to its lighter weight as well as making its ride quality superior. Transparent wood's fire-resistant quality will help during emergency. It can be easily installed in a home and also in a commercial high-rise building. Homes in snow. Since transparent wood provides strength, flexibility, thermal insulation, and transparent haze, it can be used to build more permanent homes in the snow. Facade. Transparent wood can be used on facades in cases where there is a requirement for sunlight to illuminate the interior, but privacy is equally important. Transparent wood is also stronger and more weather resistant than glass. Scientists are working on integrating electronics into its touch-sensitive wood. The material which transmits light will become wooden panel for tactile dashboards in cars. The researchers say the material could be used in the construction of energy-efficient homes. They also hope to develop a biodegradable version to increase its eco-friendly credentials as an alternative to plastic, glass, or even cement. Now let us understand limitations of transparent wood. Currently, the researchers can only treat wood chunks that are up to 4 inches to a side. They are currently limited to about a centimeter in thickness, although they have made clear wood that is as thin as a sheet of paper as well. Future. Since it is such a new discovery, researchers have a lot more work to do before transparent wood will be available for mass consumption and use. They have to figure out how to make the wood even clearer, and they also need to determine the best way to scale the production. Transparent wood is a newly invented material. Currently, it is a topic of research and undergoing through various experiments. But it certainly holds a great potential for becoming an important building material. Its translucency, along with its outstanding mechanical properties, is making it an interesting choice for using in facades, and for that fact, it is gradually paving its way towards being listed as a structural material in the field of construction. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.